We are going to make stuffed bun. In China, we call it baozi. General categories that we can follow. And the first thing is ingredient preparation. Let's do it! All-purpose flour or plain flour, 500 grams. Plus, here we go, there, 4 grams of baking powder. And 4 grams of yeast. Any brand, 2 grams of sugar. Shred the onions and the ginger and put them into a bowl of water. 250 grams of water, and let them sit while we are preparing for other steps. First, we heat up 200 grams of water. It's like 30 to 40 degrees. It's to help to wake up the dried yeast. Heat 4 grams of dried yeast. Put into warm water and stir it with water. Make sure to mix water with the dried yeast and put sugar, 2 grams of sugar into the warm water. Stir it to add a bit flavor and accelerates the process of waking up the yeast. 4 grams of baking powder. Put it into the flour. Mix it with the flour itself. Okay, now we're gonna put inside the warm yeast water into flour. Leave some flour on the surface. You're going to mix the dough. Oh my god, even though it's so sticky. Now, as we are waiting for the dough to rise more, we are going to prepare the stuffings. Main ingredients is pork today, pork stuffing. But this shape is not tiny enough. This is the chopped pork. Well, you can use a machine to help, but with knife, it's quite dangerous. Raw meat is not enough. Add flavor to the raw chopped meat. Quarter of 1 small spoon of salt is enough. And stir them. Mix the salt with the meat. 5 spice powder. 1/2 spoon. It's very dry, isn't it? So the magic water we have prepared ahead of the time. It's It's called magic water. You can smell it now, which will copy your smell and taste of the pork. Okay. Keep stirring. Magic water. Add more magic water. Also put some pepper powder if you want some flavor of spicy. To add oil, half a spoon cooking oil. The last step is to mix garlic, chopped garlic. The smaller size the better, chopped garlic or chopped spring onion. Yep, chopped spring onion. Oh, this filling is almost ready. The dough is ready. Wow, it's magic! Oh, wow. Okay, put some flour on your hand before you touch the dough. It's really sticky. Wow, magic. Get it out. Ooh. Alright. So knead them again. Knead them thoroughly. To make the texture more gentle, tender. So we have to like keep kneading them. But I like the process. It's like exercise. Roll all this dough to a stick shape. Oh, it's a good exercise, definitely. We can lose weight and lose our pressure through rolling and kneading the dough. Okay, keep rolling. Good job now. It's ready. And we're gonna cut them a bit. Shape them roll them to a bowl shape. One bowl, two bowl, 12. I've made 12 bowls. Well, the important thing is to cover it with the fuel.